I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. 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 I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. I want the check.
What's going on, everybody? Quentin, Flores here. I am with my buddy Charles with, tell him what your company is, bro.
HomeBuying Solutions, you know it, man.
Yes, sir. Charles and Mike are really good friends of mine. We do a lot of business together. We are out in the field right now looking at a property that I know Mike and Charles actually really love to buy houses like this. So Mike, Charles, tell them a little bit about what you guys do.
Well, we do a lot of stuff. We flip, we wholesale, we portfolio, but we also do a lot of substitutes. And I was actually busy doing my thing there at work, researching properties, and the Q called. I called him the Q because, he used the Q. And he called, he said, I got a sub-2 for you, and here we are, man, looking at this beautiful property. Hopefully we'll knock it down. We got to do our due diligence, but it's just a nice property.
Yes. So guys, always make sure that you have every single tool in your toolbox identified. So this deal is an amazing subject too, but not for me. But just because it's not a good deal for me doesn't mean it isn't an amazing deal for somebody else. So I also have a portfolio of properties. However, they're actually costing me more money than they are making me more money. But maybe I'm just a terrible landlord. But when somebody like Charles steps in and he's like, hey man, I'll buy you out of that deal, you guys pretty much purchase these houses and hold on to them, right?
Yeah, what we do, what a sub-2 is, we're basically stepping into the homeowner's shoes. We do a lot of these with military individuals who get orders. They can't sell the property because they just get them into these properties and they don't have enough equity to sell. So we basically step in, they get to hit the reset button, we make the payments, whatever we do after the fact, that's a whole other subject. And we have a couple extra strategies for that. The key thing is being able to network with individuals who can help each other out. Then the end strategy is to help out the homeowner.
Yes, exactly, guys, exactly. Your network is your net worth, man. So always remember that, guys. This property, I hopefully will be able to assign it as a sub-2 over to Mike and Charles so I can capitalize on some gains myself. They get an awesome property. I get my wholesale fee. I can build more capital this way so I can invest in more properties, and we help each other out.
And the homeowner also gets help because
the homeowner gets help too, for sure.
The homeowner gets to walk away, hit the reset button. But even more than that, people who end up doing the work here get help. And people who end up living in this property, it helps. So it's a win-win situation for everybody.
So Charles, tell them where they can find you.
Well, we have a Facebook page, HomeBuying HomeSelling Solutions. We have a YouTube channel that we started actually. Our boy Q here told us that we needed to do it. So we got HomeBuying HomeSelling Solutions. We're kicking that off. We have HomeBuying HomeSelling Solutions on Instagram. And we started our podcast, which I'm hoping one day, very soon, you honor us with your presence.
100%, bro, 100%.
So and it's tonight too, so if you guys want to plug in at 6:30, we're going to be talking about some stuff. And again, soon we'll have Mr. Q there,
I'm going to post the link to where you guys can follow him in the comment section below. But Charles, thank you so much for coming out, man. I really appreciate it. Guys, I'll see y'all on the next video.
I want the check. Check.